In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Powered by Shopify from the footer of your online store page. This simple customization can enhance the professionalism of your website and refine the overall look of your brand. Let's dive right into it and walk you through each step so you can successfully make this change. First things first, you'll need to navigate to your Shopify admin panel. Once you're logged in, glance over the options on the left-hand side and find the section labeled Online Store. Hover over it with your cursor and then click on Themes in the drop-down menu. Here is where all the magic happens. You'll find yourself on a page that displays your current theme alongside any others you might be previewing or planning to use. Now, look at the top right-hand corner of your active theme where you'll see a three-dot menu icon. It may seem small, but it holds an important function for us today. Click on this icon to bring up the menu options. Among those options, you'll want to select Edit Default Theme Content. This choice will allow you to tweak the default texts associated with your theme, including that ubiquitous Powered by Shopify tagline. Next up is using the search functionality to quickly pinpoint what you need to change. Click on the search bar presented at the top of this section and type in the word Powered. This search command is straightforward and should pull up all related fields containing this term. With no need for any complex navigation, the relevant fields should appear almost instantly. You'll likely see two main fields come up in the search results, one labeled Powered by Shopify and the other Powered by Shopify HTML. Both of these are candidates for updating. Choose each field individually by clicking into them. You don't have to write anything new here. Simply pressing the spacebar will clear them out. Doing this effectively removes the default text linked to Shopify branding on your footer. After you've cleared both of these fields, it's vital to save your changes. Find the Save button, located at the top or bottom right corner of your screen. Clicking Save ensures that all your edits are recorded and applied to the theme. Double-check that everything is saved by navigating back to your main theme screen or previewing your online store after these changes have been made. And there you have it, folks. In just a few easy steps, you've removed Powered by Shopify from your store's footer, adding a more professional touch to your website. By making these customizations, you continue to shape your brand's unique identity, tailoring how your store appears to visitors. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to check out other videos for more tips on optimizing your Shopify store.